SeQent real-time decision solutions can transform your plant floor communication and drive your digital transformation. We can improve productivity, quality, and profitability with our innovative and cost-effective alarm notification and on visual display management and Wi-Fi SMS software. Our solutions will reduce unscheduled downtime and provide a window into your automated processes, keeping you in sync with production goals and proactively notifying you of problems so they can get fixed fast. With native integration between our input partners such as Aviva, Rockwell Automation, and PTC, as well as our output partners such as Motorola Solutions, you can receive real-time audio and text message dispatch to two-way radios, smartphones, and more. We provide alarm notification software that manages the entire life cycle of alarms and events in real time with automated alarm notifications, escalation, and acknowledgement. With centralized and remote management, our alarm notification software is user-friendly, infinitely scalable, highly customizable, and easy to install. Our software ensures that even when you leave the office, production continues with our wireless alarm dispatch solutions that keep you up to date wherever you are. In addition, you'll be notified of alarms and events on whatever mobile device you use, such as Motorola Solutions two-way radios, smartphones, tablets, and more, letting you respond quickly to emergencies and better manage the life cycle of your assets. SeQent's Andon visual display management solution will ensure you meet production goals and increase operational efficiency while giving employees at-a-glance updates monitoring asset performance to reduce or eliminate downtime. It's highly customizable and scalable. You set the business rules to receive alarm information from multiple sources, including facilities, maintenance, and quality and production systems. You'll get visual and audible alerts, showing and telling you what's happening, so corrections or repairs happen immediately. Our industrial Wi-Fi messenger product line brings private SMS tailored to alarm and event notification to your infrastructure. Architectures supporting true autonomous isolation on your private LAN or hosted in your private cloud. Wi-Fi Messenger provides a dedicated SMS environment designed specifically for dynamic manufacturing environments. Available for Android and iOS, Wi-Fi Messenger ensures your staff is immediately aware and can respond to critical notifications impacting your production environment. We've been providing innovative solutions to manufacturers for over 3 decades. The production of the car or truck you drive and the computer or smartphone you use daily are just 2 examples of products you own in which SeQent software was a vital part of the manufacturing process. With a diverse customer base, including thousands of facilities worldwide, and strategic partnerships with companies like Aviva, GE, Motorola Solutions, and Rockwell Automation, we are the premier choice for these leading manufacturing organizations and your plant floor communication and messaging needs. Our systems are ready to work out of the box with simple point-and-click operation, so you'll be up and running and up to speed in a matter of days instead of weeks. So, if you are looking to improve your decision-making process that will positively impact the bottom line, you need SeQent. Contact us today.